All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking electronic torque wrenches from Snap-on, Matco, and Mac. All right, so I'm sure anybody in the automotive repair industry is familiar with this little bad boy, the Snap-on Tech Angle. You know, flex head, electronic, does torque to yield bolts, you know, angle, torque, and industry standard. This one's Bam Bam's because he had the latest model. I don't have a 1/2-inch drive in electronics, so I borrowed his. But this 1/2-inch by Mac is mine. Figured I would give it a try, see how it does. I also have the latest and greatest little Snap-on Tech Angle and 1/4-inch drive, the new model with the aluminum base and all that. That's also Bam Bam's. I have his old one, his traditional one, but he, bought this new one, so I got his for a deal. And then we have the Matco. Side note on the Matco. Today, he was trying to use this to torque some bolts, and unfortunately, it locked up on him. So it might be getting warranted. It's working now, so we'll see. So let's compare some basic features. Now the Snap-on, the early ones especially, were really bad about batteries corroding on them and, well, having to send it in and get it warranted or getting it, repaired, spending money. So they've done a really quick removal cap, and unlike the older models where the cap you could press on and actually disconnect the batteries, this one has a nice little end protrusion so you don't go all the way to the end. And obviously this is the long one, the 300 foot-pound one. The Mac one, I'm not going to get in too much into controls because they're all kind of different and it just would make a long video. Electronic and angle gauge, flex head, not a bad ratchet. The Matco one, 3/8, but again, it does angle. Matco kind of similar of the old style with the butt cap, and if you notice, it is reversed to take out. So the one I like the least is the Mac. You need a tool of some kind to take the batteries out. So hopefully these batteries don't explode on me. Now a couple of the features are when you're torquing, the displays vary between tools, so we'll get into that when we do a little B-roll. Let's show them torquing a bolt. You guys like to see tools in action, so. All right, we're gonna start out with the Matco. Now, if you're not used to the Matco setup, it's a little different. Now, this one's already been torqued. I just want to be able to show you. It shows green, but if you look at the screen, it's only 27.9 foot-pounds. It goes to red when you get to torque. That can be a little weird if you're used to the Snap-on. All right, so let's try the Mac. Like the Matco, it goes green, green, green to red. And does not save your final torque. Now Snap-on goes yellow, 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 green. And goes red if you go over. And it shows your final torque. Accuracy-wise, none of them really went any further. I already torqued this bolt with the Matco to start out with, just to make it easy on the video. Of course, they all do angle. You have to let it calibrate. So we're just going to do a quick 10, and hopefully I don't snap this bolt. So I got to 10, it went red. So let's go 10, see if it snaps. It does display you went 10 degrees and the final torque of that torque angle though. So that's nice. And all of these have to be stationary while you're letting it calibrate. So we're going to go another 10, see if this bolt breaks. We went 11 and another 49.4 foot-pounds. So we went 11 degrees, went a little over. Those are the differences. Buy what's in your budget and what you like. Or you can buy one of those adapters for torque angle. It's up to you. Hope you liked this video on torque wrenches. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out a new video. So in the comments, what torque wrenches do you use? What do you like? And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.